Hey, if you're just getting started with ElevenLabs, this video will save you a lot of time. I'm going to share some simple tips and tricks that beginners usually miss. But yeah, they make a huge difference. First tip, keep your script simple. Short sentences, clear words. AI voices sound way better when the text is easy to read. Don't paste everything at once. Split your script into smaller parts. This helps you control quality and fix mistakes faster. Not all voices fit every project. So try a few and pick the one that matches your content style. Here's a big one. Play with stability and clarity. Higher stability sounds consistent, lower gives more expression. Add commas, periods, even line breaks. Yeah, this controls pauses and makes the voice sound more natural. Don't settle on the first result. Generate a few versions. You'll often find a better one with small tweaks. Always preview your audio before downloading. It saves time and helps you catch small issues early. You can use ElevenLabs for YouTube, videos, ads, audiobooks, pretty much anything that needs a voice. And yeah, that's it. These small tips can seriously improve your results as a beginner. Try them out, and you'll notice the difference right away.